Virtual machines, VMs, have transformed cloud computing by allowing multiple operating systems to run on a single physical machine. This innovation has been instrumental in the rapid expansion of cloud infrastructure. By using VMs, companies can maximize their hardware use, reduce costs, and increase the agility of their IT operations. A virtual machine is essentially a software-based emulation of a computer system. It allows users to run multiple isolated environments on a single physical server. This means that instead of having separate servers for different functions, businesses can consolidate their infrastructure into fewer machines, each running several VMs tailored to specific tasks. The concept of virtualization dates back to the 1960s with IBM's CP/CMS operating system, but it wasn't until the advent of x86 virtualization in the 2000s that VMs became mainstream in enterprise computing. With this technology, a hypervisor sits between the hardware and the operating systems, managing resources and ensuring that each VM operates independently and securely. In cloud environments, VMs have become the backbone of infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offer VMs that customers can deploy and manage over the internet. This allows businesses to scale their computing resources as needed without investing in physical hardware. For instance, AWS offers Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 instances, which are VMs that users can configure with different amounts of CPU power, memory, storage, and networking capacity. This flexibility is ideal for applications with varying requirements, allowing businesses to pay only for what they use. To set up a virtual machine in a cloud environment, the process typically involves selecting the desired VM configuration, assigning a virtual network, and launching the VM. Most cloud providers offer user-friendly interfaces and APIs to automate these tasks. Once launched, VMs can be accessed remotely, just like a physical server. One real-world example is Netflix, which uses AWS to run their video streaming service. They leverage VMs to handle fluctuating demand, scaling their operations seamlessly to accommodate millions of users worldwide. This type of scalability would be challenging to achieve with traditional physical servers. However, setting up VMs is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Businesses must consider several best practices to optimize their virtual infrastructure. First, it's crucial to monitor resource usage continuously to avoid paying for unused capacities, which can inflate costs unnecessarily. Next, regular backups and updates are essential. While VMs offer isolation from hardware failures, they are still vulnerable to software bugs and other vulnerabilities that could lead to data loss. Employing automated scripts to perform regular maintenance can alleviate these risks. Finally, security cannot be overlooked. Implementing strict access controls and ensuring that all VMs are running the latest security patches are critical steps. In addition, companies should use encryption for data at rest and in transit to protect sensitive information. As we move forward in this series, we will explore more on how businesses can harness the power of virtual machines to enhance their operations and keep pace with technological advancements. From cost management to security, VMs offer versatile solutions for modern computing challenges.